Hello, my chickens. Welcome to your crash course on breathing, bracing, and core mechanics. Today, we're going to go over the different ways that you can use your core, deep core muscles to protect your spine under load. I'm going to show you techniques to properly engage your core, protect yourself while doing mat Pilates or all those other exercises that you guys like to do, as well as just breathing techniques and breathing mechanics that are going to carry over into all the other exercises that you're currently doing on the app. Let's get started. First things first, bracing. What does bracing mean? Bracing is when we actually create a pressure chamber in our core to protect our body when it is under load, whether it's on top or on the bottom and being pulled in this direction. Our core in reality includes a lot of the hip muscles, glute muscles, deep pelvic core muscles, as well as our back. So all the muscles over here, our lat, and even our erectors, which are the muscles at the back. If we're doing a squat, we have the weight on our shoulders using our barbell. We have anything overhead, we're pressing up, or if we're on a bench and we're bench pressing and we're pushing up, you always want to maintain a neutral pelvis. So typically, most of us are going to have a little bit of an anterior pelvic tilt. Some people have a posterior pelvic tilt, but that's a little bit more rare. Normally, people have a little tilt this way. So we want to place our pelvis in a neutral position, meaning that we're going to tuck in these muscles in the lower abdominal region, bring ourselves to a neutral position. Now, when we're going to brace, this requires inhaling, filling up our lungs 360 degrees. So not just breathing into our chest like this, but breathing in to everything. So your belly is going to push out, and that's normal that it looks like it's out. Your pelvis is neutral, you're inhaling, and then when you brace, you're squeezing down, you're squeezing outwards. The muscles over here are going to squeeze out. They're going to stabilize your body, protect your spine from the pressure. How this works, a little example that you can think of. If we have a can of soda and it's full and it's sealed, if you step on it, if you stand on it, it'll be able to hold the entire weight of your body, one small can of soda. The second that you put a little hole into it, even if you make a needle pin size hole in this can, you are now removing pressure. This will crush under that pressure. We want to fill our chamber over here with air, with pressure, with gas. We inhale, and then we squeeze to maintain that pressure inside of your core. Your muscles are almost pushing outwards. This outwards pressure creates space between your abdominal muscles, your back muscles, and your spine. So your spine is now being covered and protected by this pressure. That's what bracing means.